Hey guys, another month has gone by, and I'm excited to share with you my September 2021 passive income report. In this series, I show you guys exactly how much passive income I earn and which sources that income comes from, so that if you wanted to, you could generate some passive income yourself. September was a big month. Between my rental property, starting school again, and YouTube, I've had a lot on my plate, but I'm thankful for all of it. It's all part of the journey that I get to share with you. Because there's so much to talk about, this will be a slightly longer video, but I have some really exciting things that happened this month that I want to share with you. So make sure you stay until the end of the video. This month, we got paid 23 times in the form of dividends, and we also made a little extra from our side hustle, which provided a total income of. On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. If you want to join me on this journey to financial independence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, Robinhood was having some server issues when I was trying to record this video, so I had to use the good old spreadsheet to show you my dividend paychecks for the month. On September 1st, I got paid 2 times, once by Visa and once by Intel. Visa paid me 32 cents from 1 share. I got this stock for free from one of my Robinhood referrals, so it's free money paying me even more money. If you want a free stock of your own from Robinhood, you can check out my referral link in the description below. The other company, Intel, paid me $1.41 from 4 shares. I do have dividend reinvestment enabled, so that means all the dividends I earn. And the cool thing is that Robinhood offers fractional shares, so that $1.41 I earned goes on to buy a small fraction of a share of Intel. That small fraction will pay me a bit of a dividend next quarter as well, and keeps snowballing on its own. The money I earn passively goes on to earn me more money. That's the great thing about dividend investing and how it snowballs. Next, on September 7th, I got paid 3 times from Pfizer, Walmart, and JP Morgan's Income ETF. Pfizer paid me 89 cents from 2 shares. Walmart paid me $1.03 from 2 shares, and JP Morgan paid me $1.37 from 4 shares. On the 9th, I got paid $2.96 from 5 shares of Microsoft. Then, the next day, I got paid twice, once from ExxonMobil and once from IBM. IBM paid me $1.68 from 1 share, and ExxonMobil paid me $12.52 from 14 shares. On September 14th, I got big paychecks from 2 of my larger holdings in this portfolio. SRET paid me $18.69 from 373 shares, and that was able to purchase almost 2 shares on its own, while DIV paid me $33.87 from 400 shares, which was also able to purchase just under 2 shares on its own. Both of these are monthly paying dividend ETFs, so they compound quite quickly. With income stocks, I try to build up shares so that the monthly dividends are enough to purchase at least 1 share on its own every month, before I stop actively buying them. So I just help get that snowball rolling, then I let it grow on its own. On the 15th, I got paid $7.47 from 74 shares of Horizon Technologies. If you guys have been watching my Fire Fund Friday series, you know that I've been actively purchasing a large number of shares of this stock every week for the past 2 months. It is a low-cost stock that offers a 7% dividend yield, or roughly 10 cents per share per month. I am rushing to own 170 shares of this stock, and then I'll leave it alone since it will be able to purchase 1 share per month on its own. On the 17th, I got paid $2.11 from 3 shares of Waste Management. This stock brings up some good advice that I was given when I first started out on my investment journey. If you're trying to build an investment portfolio of individual stocks for the long term instead of investing in a broad market ETF, I was told to look at companies that you know, that you buy from, and that you need. Waste management, for example, no matter what happens, everybody will need waste disposal services. If we're in a recession, you still need your garbage taken out, you still need food on the table, and you still need communication services. Those are bills you make sure get paid, and that's why companies in those categories do well in all market conditions. Just a piece of advice I was given that has proven true for me and I wanted to share with you. Keep in mind that my investing strategy has evolved a lot since then, but I think it's still good advice to get new investors thinking about the investment opportunities that are out there. Maybe some people with Apple phones or Nike shoes will consider becoming investors instead of just consumers. Just some food for thought. Anyways, sorry for the tangent. Back to the dividends. On the 23rd, I got paid 5 times by Nvidia, Vanguard, SPYG, and LYG. I'm sure we've all heard of Nvidia. Their stock has been booming, and they are kind enough to pay a small dividend. My 4 shares of Nvidia paid me 17 cents. Below that, I own a few Vanguard ETFs in this account. This month, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIG, paid me $3.10 from 4 shares, and the Vanguard High Dividend ETF, VYM, paid me $15.81 from 21 shares. While my SPYG Growth ETF paid me a nice $2.73 from 26 shares. I really like SPYG, and that's why it's the main growth ETF in my portfolio. Plenty of growth, plus a little extra dividend. Lastly, LYG, or Lloyd's Banking Group, paid me $5.55 from 150 shares. This is technically a penny stock that I am underwater on. I don't reinvest these dividends, I just hold the shares and accept the dividends until I break even on the shares so I can sell it off. I took some bad investment advice, and that's how I ended up with 150 shares of this. A reminder to always do your own research and don't buy anything you're not comfortable with. On the 24th, I got paid $4.93 from 27 shares of NUSI, one of my main income ETFs. This stock pays 18 cents per month, and I am working to stack up a large amount. On the 27th, I got paid $4.68 from 8 shares of Schwab's High Dividend ETF, SCHD. Then the next day on the 28th, I got paid 2 times from a few of my income ETFs. RYLD paid me $10.61 from 42 shares. This is one of my favorite cover call ETFs that I own, and this month they paid an incredible 25 cents per share. I'm doubling down on this stock and buying as much as I can. Then I got paid $2.24 from 11 shares of QYLD. QYLD is a favorite among retired income investors for its relatively stable stock price and 11% dividend yield. RYLD has a similar price and larger dividend than QYLD, but I do invest heavily into QYLD when it goes on sale. And lastly, on September 30th, I got paid $19.40 from 152 shares of SPHD, S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, and $1.20 from 3 shares of Fidelity National Financial. Most of my stocks are quarterly paying, so that's why there were so many paychecks this month. So for the month of September 2021, I got paid a total of $154.74 in dividends. Let's hope this number goes up month over month. Let me walk you through my other sources of passive income. I do get paid a little bit of interest from my high interest savings account through Yada Bank, where I keep my 6-month cash emergency fund. I'm not going to go too deep into Yada Bank in this video, but you can check out my previous passive income reports where I explain exactly what it is. I will probably make a short dedicated video explaining how Yada Bank works, so let me know in the comments if that's something you guys might be interested in. In the real estate section, you guys probably noticed something missing, and it is the title of the video. But this month, my tenants left and the prorated rent was not enough to cover my mortgage. So my total real estate income for the month is a big $0. My house is officially no longer an asset, but a liability. Because an asset puts money in your pocket, and a liability takes money out of your pocket. For those of you who may have missed it, I did mention in one of my recent videos that I am getting out of real estate and going 100% into stocks. The sale of my rental property is in progress, and I'll make a few videos about my experience investing in real estate. If real estate investing is something you guys are interested in, please leave me some topics or questions you want me to cover in the comments below. My last source of passive income for this month is from my options trading. Last week's market meltdown kind of backed me into a corner. That means I kind of messed up, but I did figure out how to fix it and end up making profit out of it. Someone left a comment saying they want more of my income and options trading videos, so I'll definitely make more videos for that series and show you guys exactly what happened. But this month, I made a net profit of $474 from my passive options trading, bringing my total passive income for the month of September 2021 to $632.66. This was a large dip over last month, but once I complete my house sale and transfer that money into my income portfolio, I expect my dividend income to far surpass my rental income. Alright, for the final part of this month's passive income report, I get to show you guys this month's YouTube progress. This month was absolutely wild. We broke 1,000 subscribers and got over 1,900 watch hours. This is absolutely insane. And it's all thanks to you guys. I don't even know how to express my gratitude except by saying thank you so much for taking the time to join me here on these videos. I put in a lot of time and effort, and it's all worth it to see that it's resonating with so many of you. In this last month, we went from 25 subscribers to over 1,000, and we went from 28 watch hours to almost 2,000. The jump on these charts is just crazy. I thought achieving 100 subscribers would take me months, but you guys showed your support and got the channel to over 1,000. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. And I share my progress with you every month. We smashed the subscriber requirements this month, and now it feels like we're in the final stretch of this marathon. My channel is still relatively new, and every single one of you watching is what keeps me motivated on this journey. This was a really busy month for me with a lot to share. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for sticking around to the end, and please leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. I want to be able to thank you personally. As always, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already so we can get these videos out to help more people. And thank you so much for joining me here on this journey. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.